Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Making a simple margarita from scratch is easy. All you need to do is combine 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of triple sec, 3/4 of an ounce fresh squeezed lime juice and 3/4 of an ounce simple syrup in a cocktail shaker over ice. Shake vigorously to combine, then strain into a cocktail glass over ice.
Let's help you make your mark.
Can't you just add a splash of orange juice or something? Not if you want a well-balanced drink. Triple sec, a term used interchangeably with curacao, is a type of orange liqueur that provides fruity flavors as well as sweet and bitter notes, all of which are essential for a well-made margarita.
Take our lead.
Aside from liqueur, you can easily include a few ounces of your favorite fruit juice. Mix a few ounces of a juice, such as orange, pineapple or cranberry, in your frozen concoction maker for added flavor. The classic margarita uses citrus liqueur to complement the lime flavor.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.